In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show recently viewed product on Klaviyo. To get started, sign in to your Klaviyo account and look at the main navigation on the left side of the screen. Find and click Flows. This is where you build automated messages that send based on customer behavior, like viewing a product on your site. Once you are in Flows, click Create Flow. When Klaviyo asks how you want to start, choose Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch is helpful here because it lets you choose the exact trigger you need for a recently viewed product email. Next, you will set the trigger. Select Metric and then choose Viewed Product. This means the flow will begin when someone views a product, and the email can pull in the same product information automatically. After you set the trigger, you will be on the flow canvas. Now drag an email action into the flow. Place it directly after the trigger, so the email is connected to the viewed product event. This ensures the message is tied to that browsing activity. Click on the email you just added, then choose Configure Content. From there, select Template, so you can start with a design that already supports recently viewed products. In the template library, choose a recently viewed template. These templates are structured to display product details like the image, title, and link in a way that matches what the shopper just looked at. Now you will confirm that the product section is set up correctly. Click the product block inside the email editor and set it to Dynamic. Dynamic content is important because it allows the email to populate with the specific product each person viewed, rather than showing the same product to everyone. After setting the block to Dynamic, choose Viewed Product as the feed. This connects the product block to the flow trigger, so Klaviyo knows exactly which item to display for each recipient. When everything looks correct, click Save and Exit. Finally, update the flow status by switching it from draft to live. Once it is live, it can start sending to customers as they view products. That covers everything you need to know.